In this experiment, we will measure the brightness of a lamp using a light meter. A 100-watt lamp is placed at about 1 meter away from a light meter. Adjust the receptor of the light meter so that it faces the lamp normally. Black out the laboratory to ensure the light meter receives only the light from the lamp. Select the appropriate range of operation for the light meter. Record the reading of the light meter. This is the illuminance measured at the position of the light meter. Can you estimate the luminance flux of the lamp according to the results of this experiment?